Is leasing solar a good investment? Welcome to Energy Advantage YouTube channel. Hello everybody and welcome to Energy Advantage YouTube channel. I can't say YouTube today. YouTube. Hello everybody and welcome to Energy Advantage YouTube channel. So today I wanted to talk about solar, and obviously going solar is a wonderful thing, and in general I just want to put that out there immediately. It is a great investment, but there are many different programs out there, from purchasing, from taking out a loan, and of course leasing. But how do you know which one is best? So today we're going to be focusing on leasing solar, and I just want to let you know that there is another option out there that is also called the PPA, which is Power of Purchase Agreement. So what is a solar panel lease? Much like renting a car or a home, you're essentially leasing or renting solar. Ultimately what this is, it's a financial agreement with the solar company where you pay them a fixed monthly amount and you receive energy from the solar panels as opposed to your electrical company. So the main factor here is the same as like when you rent a car or a house, you don't own them. So it's the same with the solar panels. You're essentially renting the power, you're not paying off the panels. Now let's talk about the main disadvantages when it comes to leasing as opposed to owning the panels. Number one, long term. One of the biggest disadvantages when leasing solar is the long-term savings opportunity. Now, I just want to put it out there straight away. You are still saving money every month because you are paying the solar company as opposed to your electricity company, which always tends to be much cheaper. But it's typically not as much in the long term in compare to purchasing the panels. To put it into context for you, it takes between 15 to 25 years to pay off your solar panels. And once you've paid the solar panels off, well, your electrical bill will be zero. That means you'll have free electricity for 25, 40 years, maybe even more. And of course, the downside to leasing is that once your contract has expired, well, you don't get free electricity. Number two, tax incentives. Well, if you lease, you will not qualify for the tax incentives. The tax incentives are there to actually reduce the cost of the total amount of your system. So when you purchase the solar system, you actually get a discount. But when you lease the panels, that tax incentive, that discount actually goes to the solar company, not to the homeowner. The tax credit does change every year, and it has been going down every year. In 2020, 30%. 2022, it was 26%. And in 2023, it's gone back up to 30%. Still, a pretty big saving when we're talking thousands and thousands of dollars when you purchase a system. Number three, having a lease can actually scare away home buyers. So one of the downfalls to leasing solar panels is that it can actually turn off a home buyer. And the reason for that is because they might not want to be tied to a specific contract for a long time. Even though it still would probably be better than, paying for electricity, the home buyer might actually want to own the panels or not. But the argument is, at the end of the day, whether you lease or own the panels, your electrical bill is still going to be cheaper. Number four, yearly percentage increase. Now, with some of the leasing programs that are out there might be a small yearly percentage increase. While as when you buy it, obviously you pay it off, or if you take out a loan, your monthly payment is exactly the same, so it never increases. So when leasing, you can expect your bill to go up anywhere between 1 to 5% per year. Now, I have seen some of the PPA programs out there where there was no yearly increase. I would keep an eye out for that because, of course, over time it does add up. Here's the thing though, even though it does add up, it's still going to be cheaper than your electric bill. But, it'll be nice to have just, no increase. Number five, long-term contract. Most solar leases contract last anywhere between 20 to 25 years, which of course it's a long time to be tied to something. One of the main disadvantages with having a 20 to 25 year contract is that you may feel as if you're missing out because technologies are advancing really fast, especially in the solar business. So in 10 years' time, who knows what's going to be out there, what new solar panels and what other systems and batteries are going to possibly be out there. But I always used to say to my clients is that at the end of the day, when you think of it this way, yes, you are tied to a 20 to 25 year contract, but how long is your contract with your electrical company? That's right, forever. Number 6, doesn't add value to your property. So it is estimated that when you purchase solar panels, it actually increases the value of your property by 4%. Why? Well, simply put, the new homeowners will move in and benefit from the panels, which means that their electric bill will either be $0 or a flat fee. However, panels that are leased do not add value to your home because, simply put, once this contract is finished, once the agreement is done, well, they come and take the solar panels and you go back to paying your electric bill. Of course, then the other option is that the homeowner could possibly purchase panels, but just something to think about. So once again, let's compare the difference between buying and leasing solar panels. So the benefits are reducing your energy bills, smaller carbon footprint, no upfront cost, better long-term savings, homeowner owns the system, qualifies for tax incentives, adds value to your property, no maintenance cost. In conclusion, solar leasing definitely has its pros and cons, and this is not for everyone. But in the end of the day, when it comes to paying your electrical bill, the lease can actually still end up being a much better investment, especially if you do not want to own the panels or for whatever reason, you're just happy to rent it. However, when it comes to saving money in the long run, it does make sense to purchase the system, to own the system. So when you think about it, at the end of the day, you are still going to be paying for the 20 to 25 year, but in the end, you're going to own it. And not only that, you actually reap the benefits of not having an electrical bill after that. There are many options out there when it comes to loans with zero down payment. So I highly recommend you do your own research. Call 2, 3, 4 different solar companies and get many quotes and see all the options out there. And of course, just a little reminder, here at Energy Advantage, we do solar, so give us a call. We'll give you a free quote. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, if you would like us to give you a roofing quote or a solar quote, you can click the description box below, or you can go to our website for more information. Energy Advantage, because that's what we do. Have a good day.